Alors du coup il faut que je ravance parce que ça c'est quelque chose qu'on avait sauté. Toute cette partie là, elle a été faite. Alors, on était là. Du coup on est là, on va faire tout l'escalier qui va venir au-dessus. Ici. Et tout ce qui va venir en fait, la dernière partie qui va venir se mettre sur le dessus d'Atlantis. Oh, ça nous aura pris 1h10, enfin 1 heure quand même à faire tout le fond quand même. Hein. Et on va s'attaquer du coup à la dernière structure. Hop, et là le dernier. Ok, c'est bon, j'ai toutes les pièces. Alors. Oh, je vais rezoomer quand même parce que là je vois pas. Alors je vais changer de musique parce que c'est fini. On va se mettre Pink, il y a longtemps que j'ai pas écouté Pink. On va changer de musique. Hein. Alors.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Truth About Love! Allow me to introduce myself. I am your humble host, Rubix von Fukenhertz. And it's such a pleasure to be here in Melbourne!
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Rubix, you are such a sex pot, and I thank you. But tonight is not about me. No, tonight is about you. Yes! Make some noise if you're in love tonight. Make some noise if your love is with you tonight. Turn to the one you love and say, I love you. Wrap your arms around that person and go like this. Go like,
Hop, ensuite.
You see, we all love and we all need love, but not everyone knows the truth about love, and that's where I come in. Think of me as your guide, your soothsayer. Dr. Rubix is in the house. Tonight, one lucky person will have their blind eyes open to the truth. There'll be laughs, there'll be tears, there'll be heartbreaking and love-making. We are gonna take Melbourne by the cajones and burn this mother down. Who's with me?
Pourquoi j'en ai besoin d'un de plus que l'autre? Je vois pas où il va.
Let's find our lover in need
Hop, voilà, ça c'est fait. Par contre, du coup, j'ai cette pièce-là qui a été demandée en plus. Je ne vois pas où elle va pour l'instant. On va la garder à côté. Ah 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 ah. Purée, ça aurait pu dire que c'était en dessous après. Ok, on va s'amuser un peu. Ah, pas cool ça. Ok, c'est bon, j'ai toutes les pièces. Maintenant, il va falloir s'amuser à remettre tout dans l'autre sens. Alors, si je prends ça...
Steve, I have to go.
My name is not Steve, it's Steven. S-T-E-P-H.
Get out.
What? But this is my room.
One step, two step, counting tires on the floor. 3 steps, 4 steps. Guess this means that I'm a whore. Oh, hell no. How long did I reach the door? Fuck me, my feet are sore. I'm wearing less than shirts and I look like a hot ass mess. Although my hair is fixed, I haven't been set yet. Make the elevator come a little faster. I'm pushing on the buttons, but nothing's happening. Please God, don't let anybody see me. Please God, I'll do anything you ask of me. I promise no more walks of shame. So walk this way.
We're walking, we're walking,
Walk this way.
we're walking, we're walking.
Last night's bubble gum. No more bubbles, no more rum. Where'd I get the list?
Ok, donc toi t'es décalé d'un cran par contre.
Stick 1, 2, 3, shoot. No one know this shit ain't cute, but damn, the man is young as fuck. Party till the sun wakes up. Okay, now raise your hand if you've ever been guilty.
Ok, comme ça.
Walk with me. Make the elevator come a little faster. I'm pushing on the buttons, but nothing's happening. Please God, don't let anybody see me. Please God, I'll do anything you ask of me. I promise no more walks of shame. So walk this way.
We're walking, we're walking,
Walk this way.
we're walking, we're walking.
I shouldn't have let him take my keys, they left me here with too much beer in my friends. They hung me out to dry. It's not my fault and that's why I'm doing the walk of shame.
Ok, normalement c'est à peu près bon là. La plaque. Et on va commencer à remplir tout ça.
Make the elevator come a little faster. I'm pushing on the buttons, but nothing's happening. Please God, don't let anybody see me. Please God, I'll do anything you ask of me. I promise no more walks of shame. So walk this way.
We're walking, we're walking,
Walk this way.
we're walking, we're walking,
Walk this way.
we're walking, we're walking,
Walk this way.
we're walking, we're walking.
Ah, il manque plus qu'un angle cassé là. Hop.
What have you done? I found it would be fun. I can't stand your life support. There's a shortage in the switch. I can't stand your morphine, cause it's making me itch. Instead of trying to call the nurse again, but she's still a little bitch. I think I'll get out of here where I can run. Sing it! And I swear, you're just like a pill. Instead of making me mad, you keep making me ill. No, no, no. Everything is fine. You love me. This must be a bad trip. All of the other people, they were different. Maybe I should get some help. I can't stand your lights upon. There's a shortage in the switch. I can't stand your
Ok, pour ça, ensuite.
It's making me itch. Since trying to call the nurse again, but she's a little bitch. I think I'll get out of here where I can run to the side of my head, to the frustrated fears, and I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, you keep making me ill. You keep making me run to the fastest I can, to the middle of nowhere, to the middle of my frustrated fears, and I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, you keep making me ill. You keep making me. I can't stand on your life support. Just like a pill. I can't stand on your morphine. Just like a pill. Since trying to call the nurse again. Just like a pill. I think I'll get
Ok, alors.
where I can run to the middle of my frustrated fears, and I swear you're just like a pill. Instead of making me better, you keep making me, you're making me ill. How the hell are you? Thank you, 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 thank you
il y en a une qui est pas bonne.
Thank you for coming to play with us tonight and being a part of our DVD. How much fun do you guys want to have tonight? Come on out here, girl.
Ok.
Check it out, going out on a late night. Looking sight, feeling nice, it's a cockfight. You can tell, I just know that it's going down tonight. At the door, we don't wait, cause we know them. At the bar, 6 shots just beginning. That's where Dickhead put his hands on me. But you see, I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really wanna mess with me tonight. Just stop and take a second. I was falling for you, walk into my life. 'Cause you know it's over before it begins. Keep your drink, just give me the money. It's just you and your head tonight. Midnight, I'm drunk, I don't give a fuck. Wanna dance by myself, yes I love. Don't touch that up, I'm not the one. Bye-bye. Listen up, it's just not happening. You can say what you want to your boyfriend. Just let me have my fun tonight.
4 angles, c'est bon.
I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really wanna dance with me tonight. Just stop and take a second. I was running for you, walk into my life. 'Cause you know it's over before it begins. Keep your drink, just give me the money. It's just you and your
Hop.
You're in the corner with your boys, you better vibe up. Get the girl that just walked in, but she can't do that. We didn't get on just for you to see. Quit spilling your drinks on me, yeah. You know you are high.
Ah, c'est des angles, par contre, c'est pas ça.
Shit, but you're going home alone. I'm not here for your entertainment. You don't really wanna dance with me tonight. Just stop and take a second. I was falling for you, walked into my life. 'Cause you know it's over before it begins. Keep your drink, just give me the
Je pense qu'à terme, celle-là, je les changerai les rouges pour mettre des dark orange comme les autres.
I always go to left, because I'm left-handed. I'm gonna go right. How many of you have been to one of our shows before? Great! Welcome back. Thank you for coming back. How many of you were good dancers last show? How many of you are still terrible dancers? Great, good dancers, take a break, take 5. I need my terrible dancers. I want to see the worst dancing I've ever seen ever.
Tac, tac.
Yeah, Jenny. Oh, give me a chance to miss you. Say goodbye, it'll make me wanna kiss you. I love you so much more when you're not here. Watching all the bad shows.
8. Ce bien, c'est que là, je vois que ça diminue vite quand même les pièces. Hop là. Il manque plus que 2 comme ça. Bon, comme ça je les vois pas, on verra où est-ce qu'elles vont.
Love is a many-splendored thing. Love makes the world go round. Love is all about flowers and sunshine and puppies and nipple clamps. Take 5, boys. Sometimes love makes you want to scream. And sometimes it makes you want to scream. After all, what's wrong with spicing things up a bit? What's wrong with being a little sultry? What's wrong with being a little naughty?
Ok, il manque les 2, 1, 1 ici. 2, 1, 2 ici,
We all
pardon.
want it. We all crave it. We're all animals. So tell me, y'all, what's wrong with being a
Ok,
little
en voilà une.
taboo? You see, we have a saying back where I come from. Some like it hot.
Et on passe ensuite sur le
We
sandgreen.
are a kinky bunch of creatures.
1, 2,
There are things that would make our blood boil. We all have
2,
certain
3,
fetishes.
4, 8.
Feet, panties, socks, armpits, leather, lipstick, pantyhose and painted toes, skirts and shirts, and ouch, that hurts. The taste of scotch, the smell of crotch, groping, stroking, prodding, poking, hot wax and hairy backs, whipped cream on inner thighs, smack my ass, blindfold my eyes, my oh my my my. Who knows? You might even like it if you give it a try.
Ever wonder about what he's doing? How it all turned to lights. Sometimes I think
Ok,
that
alors.
it's better to never ask why. Where there is desire, there is gonna be a flame. Where there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned. But just because it burns doesn't mean it's gonna die. You gotta get up and try.
Ah, parce que j'ai gagné dans. Bien joué.
You gotta get up and try, try, try. You gotta get up and try, try, try. Funny how the heart can be deceiving, more than just a couple times. Why do we fall in love so easy, even when it's
Ah, il manque une pièce là.
Try, try, try. You gotta get up.
j'y passe d'un. Ok, c'est décalé d'un. Par rapport à ce que j'ai fait. Ok, ça c'est bon. Ça maintenant. Ok. Par 4. Pourquoi j'ai un décalage d'un? Ok, j'ai un problème là. D'accord, il y a un petit peu de décalage là. Ok. Ok, on va refaire la même chose de l'autre côté.
Right from the start, you were a thief. You stole my heart, and I, your willing victim. I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty, and with every touch, you fixed them. You've been talking in your sleep, things you never say to me. Tell me that you've had enough of our love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bends. Can't learn to love again, it's in the stars. It's been written in the scars. Our heart, that we're not broken, just bends. We can't learn to love again.
Ok. On s'est fixé, mais il y a des petits, il y a des petits gaps à l'intérieur. Oui. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 8. Not to love again. 13. 14. Il manque une petite ligne de chaque, hein. Une petite slope de chaque. Quand j'ai commencé à installer, on verra. Hop, c'est la dernière, comme ça. Ok, je suppose que celle-là, elle se met ici au milieu. Ok, il manque une petite slope là pour finir cette étape.